Hey guys, it's DaBeast here, and this is my first ever YouTube video, and if you guys are watching this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm really just a newbie at YouTube and everything, and I just want to have a good channel. So today we're gonna open up 4 NFL Movers packs, and it contains 1 NFL Movers player and 4 gold or better players with 2 bronze or better items. Alright, McClellan. I think that's how you say it. Alright, I'm not gonna update my team yet. We'll do it at the end. Him again? You kidding me? That's not nice. I get it the 3rd time. That's really stupid. But okay, at least I didn't get the same one. David Bruton Jr. Alright. And then the last pack we get 2 elites. 2 elites right next to each other. Alex Boone and James of Ethan. That's a good pack. Now let's wait, not trophy room, let's go sell items. Quick sell a few silvers and bronzes. Get a pro pack. There should be enough. Yeah. Alright. So, what do we get in this? Alright, not that bad. Could have been better though. Alright, let's go to sets and see what sets they have for these players. The NFL movers. Alright. I could do that, and I think at 8 o'clock it starts with a new, it starts with a live event, so I might make another video for that too. Alright. Let's go to my team. As you can see, I have a few elites and 1 gold. That's because last night I sold my whole team because I wanted to start new and have all that many coins, and so I did that. And I did a live event and got the Corey Coleman, and then I did draw shit and fill a pro pack and a key mix. Alright, now we're 77 overall instead of 68, which is not bad. Alright, so that was my first video, pack opening, whatever you want to call it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. Bye.